Welcome back to science class. Today we have a crossword puzzle of vocabulary terms to work on. I'm going to show you how to do that in Google Classroom here, the way I set it up, and how to make any changes you might want to make, and give you a question to answer for full credit. All right, so we have 2 pages here. See, it says page 1 of 2. You can see 2 edges here over here on the side. Okay, so here's the puzzle. Here are the clues. Here's our word bank. Here are the instructions again, so you don't forget. And there is a second page. Oop, there it is. First thing to do on the second page is answer the question in the video here. And this is where you're going to put the answer to this question. What color is my shirt today? All right, and there's another chance to get some extra credit here. And like it says in the instructions, and we'll make those a little bit bigger right here where the zoom is. What are you going to do today? You're going to click in each box and type a letter for each word. You have to do the yellow ones and the purple ones for general terms and scientific method vocabulary. If you're in bio, do green ones, chem red, environmental science blue. If you want to do words that are not in your science subject, you can do that for extra credit. Okay? All right. So let's do one together so you can see how to do that. All right. So first I'm going to make it even bigger so it's easier to see. We're going to work here on word number 15 across. Let's go down and see what 15 across is. All right, 15. Instrument for measuring temperature. All right, so we'll scroll down to the word bank. And we're not seeing all the word bank here because we're zoomed in. But we will start looking at the words, trying to find the one that means instrument to measure temperature. Okay, we know it's a long one, so this is probably not it. All right, keep that in mind as you're working the puzzle. What size word do you need? Aha, here it is, thermometer. Now we'll come back up. And remember, you can scroll up and down with these bars, or across with these. There's 15 across. So put the cursor right in the middle of the box, click, and type T H E R M Oh, whoop, I missed. All right, so we'll just backspace. Fix that again. O, new, M, E, T, E, R. Okay, now, then we'll move on to another word. Say 8 down. Click there and think. Now, if we look back later and we decide we want to change our mind, or you picked a word and it doesn't seem to fit, what you have to do to make a correction is click in the middle of the box right on top of the letter. I see the cursor flashing behind the letter. Backspace, delete it. Okay, and fix it. There. All right. Now, if you like to cross off words in the word bank when you use them, come back down here. There's thermometer. Come up here to make a line. See this little plus sign now dancing around here? Bring that to thermometer. And now drag cross. And there you go. Line through thermometer. That's what you need to do. And then everything else is click in the box, answer the question, which is, once again, what color is my shirt today? All right, you can always contact me if you have any questions. We will be going over this puzzle next week. Make sure everybody has all the right answers. So don't be nervous. Just get this in. This is due on Thursday. Talk to you later. Bye.